In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your rear hatch latch on a Ford Escape. It is located at the rear of the vehicle. After you open your hatch, you need to remove the outer part of this handle. You can do that by taking your pry tool, prying down like that. And on that side too, there's two clips that hold that in. Inside both holes, there's a T20 Torx screw. You need to remove that. Now moving to the back part of your hatch, you need to remove this center panel using your interior trim tool, prying it on one side and prying straight towards you. Same thing on this side, out straight towards you to release the clips. You need to remove this piece of trim, same thing, pry up from out back, pull towards you, two clips. Do the same for this one. Now you need to remove this piece of trim here. You can use a tool like this, slide it into the side, press, pull this down, and release the clips. Once removed our panel, you have 3 T40 Torx screws to remove your latch from your hatch. Once you remove those 3 screws, push up through and out the other side. Your hatch has one plug. You need to push the tab down and pull straight out. And there's your latch. To install your latch, you need to plug your connector in. Listen for the click. Take your latch, fish it through the top and out through the hole. Install your 3 Torx screws. And tighten them. The back side of your panel has a bunch of clips. You need to line these clips up with the holes on the back side of the hatch. Once you have those lined up, push straight towards the hatch. Once all those clips are secure, install your 2 side pieces. Same on the other side. Now your centerpiece has 4 clips, 4 holes. Now your inside part of your handle. Make sure those 2 screws are tight. Now reinstall the outside part of the handle. Push straight up.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.